It's winter time again, guys, and you know what comes with it? Cold or flu. Excuse me. So I'm about to make a tea for you, a tea that makes your taste buds go yuck, but your immune system will say, "Yay! Thank you, thank you." This tea will not only warm you up, but it will also provide natural antibiotic for your body. Can you guess what tea I'm talking about? I'm about to introduce you to the main ingredient. Just hold for it 1 second and as you can see, this is a bulb of garlic, and from this garlic you'll only need really 3 cloves of the garlic to make this tea. Not only is garlic good as a meat tenderizer and a flavor enhancer, it's also good to make a good tea for your immune system. Watch the process. You grate. Fill a standard teacup with water and put it into a pot. Set the stove to high and let that water boil. Then you add your garlic. Let it boil until it looks frothy like this, and then you turn the stove off and let it rest for 3 to 4 minutes. Strain with a fine sieve to prevent particles from entering the tea. Then you add a teaspoon of honey and lime or lemon, any citrus of your choice. The citrus is optional, but if you want to add an extra kick to your immune system, then add some vitamin C by adding your citrus, lime or lemon, as was said previously. And voila, you have your garlic tea. Thank you for watching.